This is the brief on future-proofing your SAP compliance architecture. Look, most companies love popping champagne when an SAP financial system finally goes live. But that exact moment is actually when your real regulatory nightmare begins, if your architecture can't adapt. Since the regulatory world doesn't just freeze at go live, your fundamental system design has to change immediately. First, externalize the tax logic. Hard-coding regulatory rules directly into your SAP core is a massive mistake. Whenever mandates change, like Italy's Factura PA or Saudi Arabia's Zatka, it forces a hugely expensive IT development project. Instead, use a decoupled architecture where compliance lives in an external platform. Think of your SAP core as the engine of a car, and tax regulations as the GPS. You wouldn't rebuild your car's entire engine just because a new toll road opened. You'd just update the GPS. Second, design for continuous transaction controls. Governments now demand real-time, machine-readable validation, meaning you have to capture mandatory fields, like VAT numbers, the exact second of posting. Wait, are we really expecting accounting consultants to become global tax specialists? Well, no. It's just shifting the mindset from what does our accounting team need to see to what does the government platform demand to receive. Finally, standardize your data for AI and scale. AI totally fails without structurally consistent data. Plus, using standard SAP APIs instead of custom code ensures effortless global scaling. So what happens if we ignore this structural consistency? You're basically guaranteeing a multi-million-dollar cleanup project the second you try to plug in an AI tool. A smart setup treats go live as day one of an evolving ecosystem, using external platforms and clean data to turn global compliance from a constant IT headache into a simple configuration switch.